Hello, everybody. A little bit about myself. I've been working at Nexus Brands Group for about 2 years now. And what we are is a global multi-brand, multi-channel platform company. Our focus is in niche markets serving the tattoo, pet, and beauty professionals and its customers. I know that totally sounds like an odd mix, but it's been a lot of fun working in these different industries. So I'm based in our headquarters in California, but our brands are throughout the United States and in the UK. As the creative manager, I oversee the creative department and the design needs for our brands. I work directly with the marketing departments and our brand leaders. And one of the biggest responsibilities I had when I started was to establish the processes and integrate our brands into our workflows. Currently, we have, I think, a little over 15 brands now. So as you can imagine, having these multiple brands add a huge complexity to any project flow. What Nexus didn't have at the time I started was an efficient proofing process. What they did, because they were a smaller team, was approve via emails or commenting in Monday. And yes, I also heard that they were doing printed proofs, marking it up and sending it back. I was blown away. This is such a red flag to me. So I needed to find a way to manage all those multiple stakeholders from the different brands and then all of the assets that we create. And we literally do everything from emails, the web banners, catalogs, videos, and just also a handful of PDFs and images. When I did research and learned about PageProof, as cheesy as it sounds, but it was really love at first sight. PageProof helped me in all the aspects of marketing compliance because it literally was easy to use. It had the robust workflows and the cool Adobe add-ons. The simplicity for reviewing proofs is key, especially for everyone. I have approvers who are always on their phones, not necessarily on a desktop, so it's easy for them to mark up proofs on their mobile device. They've even watched the videos that I'll post for review and approvals and emails and pretty much a lot of different types of media. And then for our review approval process, the robust workflows really mean that I do get the approvals at the right times. I can control in PageProof who's invited to the proof and when. And it also helps determine accountability for each of the proofs and getting the sign-offs that I need along the way. Ideally, we aim for no mistakes. So I love the Smart Compare feature for version checking to make sure that all of the changes have been made and nothing was moved or edited that it shouldn't have. Monday was already adopted when I came on board. I used another project management platform at my last 2 jobs, and it wasn't as easy and intuitive to use as Monday. Plus, being a creative person and I have a design background, I love how visual it is, and it's so easy to use. With both of them together, it's even easier to track the statuses of our proofs. I have it so that when our projects are uploaded into PageProof, it will automatically update my Monday status column where it'll say pending approval. And then once a new proof has been updated or changed, it'll automatically change my Monday tasks again, or my Monday statuses. At my weekly check-ins with my team, if I need to dig into specific projects, I can quickly look up the proofs from Monday through a widget. Or the other way around, where if I'm in PageProof, I can go directly to a Monday task if it's linked or referenced to that proof. The favorite feature that I have are the Adobe add-on extensions, whereas you can go into Illustrator, InDesign, or Photoshop, see what the changes were, make the changes, check them off, which I like because then it'll check off and I'll have the green little mark that we did that change. And then I can spit it back into PageProof from the Adobe apps. Our situation was pretty much like everyone else during the pandemic. We were working remotely. Then we changed to a hybrid situation. And as businesses started to pick up and we were going back to normal, we needed an easy way to work effectively with all of our brands and all the different locations. And Monday and PageProof did that for us. The integration of both of these systems sped up our workflow almost 40%. Like, it really helped our creative process and our approval process. And as we continue to grow, it's going to be more important to keep us working efficiently and staying on brand, making sure we meet all of our brands' needs and assets. Thank you.